Here's FlexTV app, so just tap get to install it. So double click to install here, and yeah, this is only on FlexTV. Trending drama series are here. So it's an HD streaming drama series platform for vertical screen viewing. It adopts concise interface design and provides HD and smooth streaming services. The content covers quality exclusive mini drama series, including the latest trending genres such as murder, SEO, vengeance, thriller, time travel, comedy, and so forth. You may choose various mini-series as you like. FlexTV is committed to allowing users to enjoy the highest quality and most exciting video streaming services in short and fragmented time. So yeah, this app is kind of one of the alternatives to Real Short and many other apps in this category, where it's kind of like TikTok and Netflix combined, where you just have this, just vertical format, but these are not videos. This is like real drama series. Of course, they are kind of a low quality. This is just more like binge watching, where when you're commuting, when you're in a metro or something, and you just want to watch something for literally like 5 minutes, and then you can just kind of tap and watch this, and then you can just add it to your list. Then obviously there are rewards, and how this app works is just like you need to reward every day, and then you will get some bonuses, and then you can watch more episodes. And then if you do some daily tasks, then you can just do will have more bonuses. Also, you can just go and invite friends. So feel free to use my invitation link. So for example, if I just want to share it, so for example, or it's too big, but anyhow, that's my code here, 2223004. So try that. But yeah, I'm just showing you as and then yeah, if you log in with Facebook, email address, notification, you will just get all these rewards, and you will be able to watch all of these series. So yeah, that's the idea. By the way, you can enter my invitation code here. So yeah, that's what it is. Thanks for watching.